Hey babe, I'm so sorry, I'm going to be home late again tonight. Work have got me evaluating some new sales platform. I'm going to have to sit through a sales rep's pitch before I can even see it. Tell the kids I love them. This is test number 137, testing the website. If you're watching this, I can't believe what I'm seeing. No! If the See a Demo page doesn't take you to speak to a sales rep, where are the sales reps? This will be my last message. If you're watching this, sales reps are out there, and they've more time than ever. You're not listening. Sales, marketing, product, the customer. It solves for them all.